Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Pranzare.
To rest.
Riposarsi.
To exercise.
Fare esercizio.
To cook.
Cucinare.
To have dinner.
Cenare.
To watch TV.
Guardare la TV.
To read a book.
Leggere un libro.
To go shopping.
Fare shopping.
To go home.
Andare a casa.
To go to bed.
Andare a letto.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.